Welcome to our comparison of two popular Ring security products, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus and the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. In today's video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a doorbell replacement or a versatile security camera, we've got you covered. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus offers head-to-toe HD Plus video, providing a wider and more detailed view of your entryway. In contrast, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery delivers standard HD video, which is still impressive but may not capture as much detail as the Doorbell Plus. If video quality is your top priority, the Doorbell Plus takes the lead. When it comes to field of view, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus excels with its wider angle, allowing you to see more of the area in front of your door. This is particularly useful for monitoring visitors and packages. On the other hand, the Stick-Up Cam has a more focused view, which may be suitable for specific indoor or outdoor placements but lacks the broad coverage of the Doorbell Plus. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is specifically designed to replace your traditional doorbell, making it an ideal choice for front door monitoring. In contrast, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery is a more versatile option that can be used both indoors and outdoors, allowing you to place it in various locations around your home. Depending on your needs, one may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus and the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery offer excellent features and performance. Your choice will depend on whether you need a dedicated doorbell or a more flexible camera solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.